you're writing in this particular session, so changes, right?
चेंजेस
हाँ वो
क्योंकि उसको बीच बीच में टोकना है, उसको फिर से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा।
राइट
तो वो डिग्निटरीज और वो सेशन, अरे यार मैं अभी डिस्टर्ब हो रहा हूँ,
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है।
मैं डिस्टर्ब हो रहा हूँ बिकॉज दिस गाय हैज कम।
नहीं खत्म करने से पहले जो हो रहा है पहले खत्म करें तो फिर पॉइंट जो भी बताना फिर एडिट करके वापस
अभी 30 मिनट कोई कुछ बोलेगा।
हाँ वो
नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स ना फिर से स्टार्ट करो बेलनोक से
नहीं, वो 30 मिनट से आगे चलो।
Before we begin, I want to highlight exactly what we want to take away from this presentation. Like how do eyes work? Basically, eyes is a very important part of body or human body. So we should know actually what biological function of the eye. So, have you seen a camera? You all know about camera. I wanted to say, eyes work like a camera. How? Like which lights comes to eye. I'm going to tell you the biological function of that. Light comes through the cornea to lens to retina. The light finally comes from the retina, which with the help of optic nerve. Optic nerve is like a brain, you can say. In a camera there is a particular IC part. In a brain we have able to think and able to recognize particular object. So finally when light comes from the retina, with the help of optic nerve, it converts it to electrical signals that images will send to brain and helps to identify the object particular what we are seeing actually. Okay, and it's a normal thing. It's a normal function of the eye. Now, next I wanted to clarify what's the reason for bad eyesight. How is it possible like we are seeing a blur image? People are seeing blur image. What's the reason for eye like people are unable to see clear image? When your cornea shape or lens shape is not proper way or proper you can say shape, so understand like your there every person have a particular shape of eye or shape of the cornea and shape of the lenses. When your shape of the cornea and lenses is not proper, then you are unable to see clear image. You will not be see clear image because of your what light rays on your retina is not a comes on particular on retina. It will come behind the retina or in front of the retina. It will not particular comes from your retina because that's why you are not seeing your clear image. It can be myopia, hyperopia or astigmatism. क्या हुआ?
बहुत चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा,
बहुत सारा।
बहुत सारा, बहुत
First,
सारा।
अच्छा चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं उसके बाद बताना खत्म पढ़ने को। Just finally I will come on what is LASIK. I was talking about the basic function of the eye and what the causes of the bad eyesight. So I want to clarify what is LASIK. LASIK is a surgical procedure to treatment of myopia, hyperopia and astigmatism. It's the basic error of the eye. These errors overcome by LASIK. And now what is the myopia, hyperopia and astigmatism? Myopia is the error of the nearsightedness. It's known as a nearsightedness. When you in myopia, your clear vision will be your close vision will be clear and your far vision will be blur. It's the myopia. In a myopia, your cornea shape will be steep. It's a function like your shape will be steep in myopia error. In hyperopia, your far vision will be clear and your near vision will be blur. Your near vision will be blurred. It's called as a hyperopia. And astigmatism is the error of is the combination of the myopia and hyperopia. In astigmatism,
Wrong, absolutely wrong. Astigmatism is cornea improper shape of cornea.
also your
Ye-
shape
ye-
will be
हाँ.
your shape will not be proper. But what's the actually astigmatism? Your near and far means both means will be blur. Both
Why?
will blur.
Just want to ask you why it's blurred.
Because your light rays it's not come on your retina. It comes
Why it's not
behind the
coming?
retina as well as behind the retina.
Yeah, so there are two possibilities, not one. At a time when your cornea is वो directly, I'm sorry, लेकिन वो directly आपको question पूछ सकते हैं.
No, yeah, पूछो.
जैसे तुषार सर हमसे कह रहे हैं वैसे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
As if आपको एक
Advice,
Please clarify what is astigmatism.
astigmatism जो आपका cornea होता है वो improper shape होता है.
Right.
Irregular cornea. Astigmatism
It
proper
will,
shape is
same thing will be in a myopia and hyperopia also.
no. Myopia would be different. Hyperopia would be different.
What is the difference?
Myopia, what is myopia?
In myopia, your near vision will be clear and your far vision will be blurred.
That's long-sightedness. Myopia is also known as long-sightedness.
Nearsightedness.
Or long-sightedness, yes.
You are confused. Please check. You are confused. Check करना really बता रहा हूँ. तुम उल्टा बता रहे हो. Hyperopia का बता रहे हो. Check करना है. अभी आगे चलते हैं. Note कर लो उसको हम देखेंगे वापस.
Yes.
Okay. So apart from like both of you.
No.
नहीं वो हम लोग आगे कर रहे तो वो देख रही है actually.
LASIK, we all know for refractive solution we have glasses. People are using glasses, contact lenses. Now we have a LASIK, but I want to clarify how is the LASIK differ method from contact lenses and glasses. From long time people are using glasses for AC कम कर दो ना. AC कम कर दो.
कम ही कर रहा है सर.
AC हाँ कम कर दो.
ये देखो. कम हो गया.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
So what actually people for the removing the refractive error, for the correcting the refractive error, people are using from long time glasses as well as contact lenses because they don't know what is a LASIK actually. So they have with glasses and contact lenses we have some advantage and disadvantage. Before I will cover the LASIK, I will clarify what the advantage of the glasses and disadvantage of the advantage and disadvantage of the glasses and contact lenses. Okay. Glasses, people are know like it's a traditional method of the correcting method, correcting refractive errors, and it's a very precise correction, and it's very cheap for replacement, and people can change anytime, no? Glasses, and it can be your style, look wise. It can be funny or wise key. Okay, and that they have some disadvantage of the glasses. That it can be uncomfortable on your nose. Okay, for athletes and sports person, it can be breakable, easy breakable because they will unable to run out and play with glasses. These are the disadvantages of the glasses. And with contact lenses, it's no extra weight on your eye. Contact lenses, they have no weight whatsoever, and it's colorful. You can change your color of your contact lenses. It can be your style on your face, and it will not hide your beauties of the eye. Actually, contact lens will not hide your eyes, beauty eyes. The disadvantage of the contact lenses is like you have to be more attentive for hygiene of the contact lenses. Like you have to be more conscious. That should not be like attentive for it can be symptoms. It can be create symptoms of allergy if you are not attentive. If your wash is not clean, your hand is not clean, your keeping or unkeeping of the contact lenses, that can be create symptoms, allergies. So you have to be more conscious about the contact lenses. Okay, it can lead irritation, it can lead allergy. It's a disadvantage of the contact lenses. And for children, the children are never to keep and unkeep the contact lenses. It is one of the disadvantages for children. Children can wear can have glasses, but they will unable to keep and unkeep and attentive for the contact lenses. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of the glasses and contact lenses. Now we have a LASIK. LASIK is a permanent solution. There do not have anything you have to carry